Good everyone, how you all going? Now I was about to go inside to have breakfast, but I put some bird seed out for these birds, and as you can see, they're both male and female here. The one on the white stand is the more colourful one, and that's male. Another one is a female. It's chasing other birds away. See how dull her colours are. I think I'm right. I think I'm right on this one, but where did the other one go to? And you see how bright his colours are. So look at the chest of both of them. And the mozzies are out too. Oh, it's good to see them, mate. I need to get some food into me as well before I go for my walk. What a beautiful morning. Good to see them feeding here. Good shot like that of them. Oh well, thank you for watching my videos, and you all take it easy and have a great day, and all comments are welcome. I'll chase that one away, let the female eat. Thank you again. Take it easy everyone.